Hey guys, gizmoddict here, and it looks like Xiaomi is on a roll in 2019. So a couple of days back, we saw the launch of the Redmi Note 7. Great phone, you've got Snapdragon 660, 48 megapixel camera for only 11,000 rupees. So yeah, sounds very good on paper. I can't wait until it comes to India. But then Xiaomi at that launch event didn't talk about the Redmi Note 7 Pro. They only said that that phone will get a Sony IMX 586 sensor, which is a 48 megapixel sensor, and that the phone will launch in mid-February around the Chinese New Year. So they didn't tell us anything about the specifications and things like that, so I assumed that the Redmi Note 7 Pro will also get the Snapdragon 660. But that's not the case. Recently some new leaks have come around for the Redmi Note 7 Pro on a Chinese website, so I'm going to tell you everything about it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the recent leaks are suggesting that the Redmi Note 7 Pro will get the Snapdragon 675 processor. So that's the newest mid-range chip that Qualcomm has made. And it's actually a pretty good chip. It's based on the 11 nanometer architecture as compared to the 14 nanometer on the Snapdragon 660. So in terms of battery life, it should consume less power and give you more battery. And on top of that, you've got the new Adreno 612 GPU, and in a couple of benchmarks, the 675 actually performed better than the Snapdragon 710. So I think you should get a very good performance bump in terms of the Snapdragon 660 on the Snapdragon 675. So I'm really excited to see this new chip on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, because we've seen a lot of 660 devices in the 12 to 15,000 rupee price bracket. Asus and Realme are doing it, so if Xiaomi brings in the Snapdragon 675 at this price point, it's going to be a game changer. So yeah, you've got a Snapdragon 675 on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and like I said, in terms of camera, you've got a same 48 megapixel pixel count, but then the sensor is an IMX 586 one as compared to the Samsung sensor on the Redmi Note 7. So I'm really excited to check out the camera on this phone. With regards to the front-facing camera, we don't have a lot of news yet, but then considering Xiaomi put a dual camera setup on the Redmi 6 Pro, I expect something similar on the Redmi Note 7 Pro as well. But the Redmi Note 7 actually gets a dewdrop notch. So I don't know if Xiaomi is going to go with the dewdrop notch on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, or they are going to put in a bigger notch and have dual cameras like the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So do let me know in the comments whether you prefer a dewdrop notch or you would prefer a dual camera on the front. In terms of design and build quality, I think that the Redmi Note 7 Pro is going to be very similar to the Redmi Note 7. You will have a glass body, you will have USB Type-C, you'll have 4000 mAh of battery, and you will also have a 1080p display. A lot of people were speculating that the Redmi Note 7 Pro might come with an in-display fingerprint sensor, but I don't think that's happening anytime soon. I mean, Xiaomi has not even put in an in-display fingerprint sensor in some of their flagships, so I don't think they're going to directly put it in the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So yeah, don't expect an in-display fingerprint sensor at this price segment. Talking about the price of the Redmi Note 7 Pro is the most interesting part. It's going to be priced between 14 to 16,000 rupees. So that's amazing if Xiaomi can do all of this and keep the same pricing in India. For 15,000 rupees, if Xiaomi can give you a Snapdragon 675, 48 megapixel camera, a dewdrop notch, a glass body, then I don't think there is a better combination out there in the market, and this phone would completely break the budget smartphone market in India. So I'm really excited to check out the Redmi Note 7 as well as the Redmi Note 7 Pro. What do you guys think about this phone? Please let me know in the comments. And if you guys like such videos where I talk about the upcoming smartphones and tech and things like that, then please let me know in the comments. Maybe we can do one episode once a week covering the highlights of the whole weeks, all of the important smartphone launches and things that have happened in the tech industry. So if you guys would be interested in something like that, then please let me know in the comments. I might end up planning a video series for you. Anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. A lot more videos are coming very soon. So if you're new here, then hit the red subscribe button and press the notification bell, and I'll be back in the notifications very soon. Peace.